Good morning, guys. This is Pinoy-IT how to coming back for another video. Alright, so this morning, guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa kung paano mag-backup automatically using Windows 10. Alright, so how to back up our files automatically using Windows 10. Alright, guys, so it is very important that we back up our files because we never know when our computer will be damaged or will have fault or will have hardware failure. So we have to back up. So the importance of backing up our files automatically is that it can execute to back up the files, your files, our files automatically, even if you are sleeping or even if you are outside the office or outside the house. The computer, when it is set to back up automatically, so even if you are not in front of your computer, it will back up itself. Alright, guys, so let's get started. First, head on to start menu. Right here, start menu. Okay, so right now I am using Windows 10. Okay, next is here you click settings. All right, and then you go to update and security. Click. Right click. Okay, and then go here, backup. Click. Alright, you see here on this portion you can set your computer to back up automatically. So in my case, I already enabled the setting to back up automatically. So you can also turn it off like this one. Okay, when you turn off, that's off. So turn on like this. So you see, back up using file history. Back up your files to another drive and restore them if the originals are lost, damaged, or deleted. Automatically back up my files. So that's the setting, guys. So all you have to do is to enable this setting. Alright, so for more options, click here, more options. Okay, so you see here, because I already enabled to the backup automatically setting, you see I have already a drive here, F drive. This is the USB that I used. Alright, so when you back it up, you just manually, you just click back up now. So it will back up all your files. Alright, so here there is this this is a time, I think, how do we call this one? This is a time interval, I think. No, it's a time limit that you want that your computer will execute automatically the backup, like every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, 20, 30, and we have here every hour. So mine is, I set to every hour. So just make sure that the drive or the USB that you used is installed. So every hour it will execute automatically. Alright, and it will back up the files. So there is this every 3 hours, every 6 hours, 12 hours, and daily. So this is the setting, guys. So it is up to you on when you want that your computer will back up automatically. So these are the options. All right. So also here you can back up folders. So you can add a folder to back up also. So this is the setting, guys. So it is up to you on how or what folder that you want to back up automatically. All right. So that's how easy to back up our files automatically using Windows 10 Professional Edition. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something today, and I hope you like this video or you enjoy this video. So if you like this video, guys, please like, subscribe to my channel, and stay safe. That's my video for today, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.